Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to Chris Creations. Today I'll be showing you how to make a turkey meatloaf stuffed with mozzarella paired with garlic cauliflower mash. This is another low carb recipe. So let's get started. To begin, slice the mozzarella into strips, then set aside. In a large bowl, put in all your ingredients. Ensure the butter is at room temperature or even softer so you can mix it easily, and also feel free to choose any hot sauce to your liking. Once it's all mixed and combined, take half of the turkey and pound it into the loaf pan. Layer the cheese on top. Then take the remaining turkey and layer it on top of the cheese. Preheat the oven to 325, then bake for 30 minutes. While the meatloaf is baking, make your meatloaf sauce. In a medium bowl, pour in all the ingredients and whisk briskly until all the sugar is all dissolved, then set aside. Next, make the garlic cauliflower mash. Cut the head of cauliflower into florets. Cut bigger florets into halves so that they're all roughly the same size for even boiling and easier mashing. Once cut, boil cauliflower until it's soft and tender with the stub of a fork. Drain out all the water and mash. At this point, the meatloaf is done baking, so take it out of the oven, but keep the oven on as you're going to pour the meatloaf sauce on top and return it back to the oven for 10 minutes. Now you're ready to serve and eat. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe for more.